Good day and welcome at CEDIA 2023 from Denver. My name is Nico Bruzzese with Totem Acoustic, and what we have here is our Kin Play series. So this series has been out for a little while, 2 years, but we do have some new fresh updates for the Kin series. We have the Kin Play Tower, of course 200 watts per side, now with eARC. So eARC has been introduced on many of our Kin Play series products. Kin Play Tower receives the eARC, the soundbar as well. Now in the soundbar 2 configuration, Kin Play Soundbar 2 has the HDMI eARC. Of course, what that does is it allows you now to integrate seamlessly with your remote from your TV, your cable box. There's no more fiddling around with different remote controls. It's all seamlessly done with the eARC system and protocol. So if you'd like more information, you can visit us at www.totemacoustic.com, and there's more information on the Kin Play series and the eARC feature. Thank you.